for college students why this is a great opportunity as a student. Just can you just share any insights so they will get some motivation, more motivation to contribute?
Okay, so for college students, this is a very respected program to get into, and if you get into GSoC during your college, you're someone who is respected in the community, or so you might have seen many tech influencers telling that GSoC kar lo or GSoC is a program you should think about. Talking about other thing is that GSoC is favorable for student is because the name of Google is associated with it, and you get a good stipend in your student. While being a student, you get a good amount of stipend, which was also a motivation for me, to be honest. And the other thing will be that you get to work with professionals in that field. So the things which I learned in which I would have learned in 1 year, I was pushed to learn those things in 3 months of time during GSoC. So you get to work in a professional setup where you have this agile dashboard or things like that, which you have just studied in books. You get to implement this all methodologies, that is waterfall or agile, like Kanban boards. I don't know how to spell that. It's Kanban boards or something like
Kanban,
that.
Kanban.
Kanban, yeah. And then yes, GitHub projects. So these are like things that I've just heard, that raising a Jira ticket or something like that. During GSoC, I actually got familiar with this methodologies too. Daily stand-ups and weekly meetings, all this professional setup was something which I experienced during my GSoC time. So yes, that is something you get to experience while being a student. And Google Summer of Code is flexible with your timings. I mean, my organization and most of the organizations are flexible with timings. If you're working in a corporate or in the private entity setup, they want you to be available during a period of 9 to 5 or something like that. So that's not favorable for a student, because that's the time when most of the students are in the university, so they won't be available to give that time commitment. So that basically gives another advantage to this program, that you have flexible working hours, and you can work anytime. Like, I remember that there were weeks when I didn't code it for the whole week due to my college assignment and other things. I just used to sit Saturday and Sunday and used to like complete all the work for the whole week. It's not a good practice, but there were weeks like these too, like 1 or 2
We have
weeks.
to manage both things, multiple things.
Yes. Yes.